How to enable dark mode on your Samsung M32. First of all, open the Settings app. You can find it by tapping the gear icon in your app drawer or notification panel. Next, scroll down and find the display option. Then, tap on it to open the display settings. After that, at the top, you will find the options Light and Dark. To enable dark mode immediately, just tap on the dark option. If you want dark mode to turn on automatically, you can also enable the schedule option. Tap on dark mode settings. You can set it to activate from sunset to sunrise or set your own custom time. Once dark mode is enabled, you will notice that the background of menus, apps, and even supported third-party apps switch to a dark color scheme, which is easier on the eyes, especially in low light environments. You can always go back to the display setting if you want to turn dark mode off or adjust the schedule as needed. And that's it. Now you know how to enable dark mode in Samsung M32. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.